Now I am wearing sneakers. Then I am wearing a formal shirt which is of not button. I am just wearing with a sando inside. This is a sando I am wearing. So the sando are basically a inner wear. Basically a girl using sando, boys are using also. Boys sandos are much bigger and girls sandos are somewhat are short, and these are the skinny jacket and which is button. So you can unbutton it if you are wearing any inner sando or inner wear like this. These are the adjustable which are a brand called as a Ginger brand. Ginger, which is I have bought it from Lifestyle store. I doesn't remember the exact price, but it is some around 200 or 250 rupees. Ginger brand, which is very long lasting because I have bought it since 2 years ago, but still I am using it, and it is the color is not faded. And these sandos I bought it from a local market, which are stretchable and which you can extend, means after while using you can extend it, stretch it, means any of the size, XL, small, large, anyone can fit it. But these are the local market sandos. So these are available at 150 rupees till 100 rupees or 200 rupees. You have to bargain it because the shopkeeper will give you a very high price. You have to bargain it for. I am here wearing a black sando which is of T-shape, and this is I am wearing a formal shirt which is I have unbuttoned because I am wearing a sando inside, and you can fold the sleeves like this, and the sleeves are basically a long sleeves. So if you are wearing a formal shirt, you can use it like this, means if you button it, and long sleeves are there. So this you can adjust it how you want to wear, or else you can put it like this only also. If you don't want to adjust it, means then you can or else you can fold it. How much you want to fold, you can fold it. This time you have to button it. Shirt I have just now buttoned it, and you can iron it. Now it is not ironed properly, so for office wear you have to iron it so you can look bit professional. And means a good shirt is ironed because it is a formal shirt. Now it is not ironed because I was giving you a review of casual wearing. So for formals as well, you can wear it long sleeves or folded sleeves. I have wear a small one bangle only, not much bangle, means too much bangle. You don't have to wear too much bangle. Only one bangle you can wear. The earrings I have bought it from a local market nearby our place. And these are the shoes I am wearing. It is now in office it is a formal wearing, so you have to look professional. Then you have to in the shirt in proper manner. So I have in the shirt, and you have to wear a belt, at least a small belt. Okay, I will show you how to wear a belt. This is a leather belt. I have bought it from a local market in Malad, and it is a leather belt. Basically, it is not original leather. It is a synthetic leather belt. Here it is. I have bought it few years ago, so it is bit older. Means bit old. and scratches are there. So you have to wear it properly. So here you have to wear, this shirt is cotton shirt, so you have to iron it. And if you are a bit lazy to iron a cotton shirt, then you can use synthetic cloth, means a silk cloth, or many other material are there apart other than cotton, which doesn't require to iron every day.